Hey guys, Christian. I'm just going to teach you how to work on the phone. See all these screws here? These show you all the different screws. So as you can see on the box, there's Philip, the tripod. They're just all different screws. Don't have to worry about what screws. Just follow me at the moment. So, well, the best screw to use, you need this one, but just gotta do with what's easier for you. So you start off with taking off the screws, and then you gotta map each part. So you can see here it's all these screws. Unscrew this. Then this one. Sorry guys, I just moved the camera more forward so you can see. So see how you got this phone. So what I do, I basically screw just getting a bit of guys. Not that hard to do once you get used to it. But for now I'm just training at the moment. Right, so now what you do, see how you got this screw like this? You can't quite see, but I'll just tell you. So see there's 1, 4, 5 different screws. And then normally you have to unscrew all the different parts. Well, first of all, to take this one off, you gotta get a screw that's basically have a star on it, like that. Take this out. Oh, wrong screw. Easy as that, look at that. That screw's come off. Okay, take this apart. Now, what you do with this apart, best to put them aside with the piece are. Cause then you gotta remember it. Then you gotta put them back in with those screws. Now, this off. Screws out. And this screw out as well. Yeah, there are 4 or 5 screws on one part normally. Don't worry about screws, it's more just getting the part. That's how I feel. So now this is disassemble. So see how all the thing out here, and so is this one. Now the next step. The next step, this phone. Take this out. And this out. Alright. So now you take the top one off. Now carefully take the home button out. What you do, take this screw out. Basically, I think I'm using. Oh no, I'm using the right screw. And either how I normally do it lay down, but it's easier if you have it. This comes out. I want to show you all of it, but that's how far I can show you at the moment.